Hello and welcome to Rep Africa. Today is the 22nd day of April, and as usual we have some great Africans whose birthdays we are going to be celebrating right here, right now on Rep Africa. Omoni Oboli, Del B and John Michael Obi. My name is 100%. I represent the entire continent of Africa, and this very beautiful video is made possible by Africa, the entire continent of Africa. Now, if you're an African, if you love Africa, if you have birthday, if you love celebrating birthdays, please and please again, subscribe to this channel, drop some comments, like and share what we do right here on Rep Africa. And if it is your first time, please endeavor to touch the notification bell button so that each time we drop videos like this, you will be notified. God bless you and 100% to you. Without wasting time, we go straight to celebrating the birthday of Omoni Oboli. Today, the 22nd day of April, is the birthday of Omoni Oboli. Omoni Oboli is a Nigerian actress, scriptwriter, film director, producer, and digital filmmaker. She studied at the New York Film Academy and has written several screenplays, including The Figurine, Anchor Baby, Fatal Imagination, Being Miss Elliot, The First Lady, and Wives on Strike. In 2018, she starred and directed the comedy Moms at War. Omoni Oboli has won the awards for the Best Actress Narrative Feature at the Los Angeles Movie Awards 2010. She won the Best Actress at the Harlem International Film Festival. She was also nominated for the Best Actress in the Leading Role Award at the 2011 Africa Movie Academy Awards. In 2014, she won the Best Screen Actress of the Year Award at the 2014 Eloy Awards for her movie Being Miss Elliot. Then in 2015, she was awarded the Sun Nollywood Personality of the Year. Omoni Oboli has directed several movies such as Being Miss Elliot, The First Lady, Wives on Strike, and Okafor's Law. Omalicha Omoni Oboli, you rep Africa 100%. That's why today on your birthday, the entire continent of Africa has joined hands with your friends, your family, your well-wishers, your loved ones and fans all over the world to wish you a happy 100% birthday. Keep repping Africa. Keep making Africa proud. We are proud of you right here on Rep Africa. You are absolutely 100%. Happy 100% birthday to you. The next celebrant for today, the 22nd of April, is Del B. Ayodele Basil, known professionally as Del B, is a Nigerian composer, sound engineer, record producer, and songwriter. He is best known for producing Casey's hit single, Limpopo, which was voted Song of the Year at the 2013 edition of the Headies Awards. He also produced the hit song Shake by Flavor. Del B is also credited with the production of Runtown's smash hit song Mad Over You. Del B was nominated for the Producer of the Year in 2013 by the Headies. In 2014, he won the Nigerian Entertainment Awards Producer of the Year and was nominated the same year for the same award at the City People Entertainment Awards. Del B is no doubt one of the best music producers in Africa. Del B, you rep Africa 100%. That's why right here on Rep Africa today, that is your birthday, the entire continent of Africa is joining hands with your loved ones, your family, your friends, your fans all over the world to wish you a happy 100% birthday. Keep repping Africa, Del B. Africa is very proud of you. We love you so much right here on Rep Africa. We wish you well. 100% to you, Del B. The last but not the least celebrants of today, the 22nd day of April, is John Mikel Obi. John Mikel Obi is a Nigerian professional footballer who plays as a defensive midfielder for EFL Championship club side, Stoke City. Mikel Obi began his illustrious career with the local club Plateau United before joining Norwegian club Lyn in 2004 at the age of 17. He will go on to play for other great European club sides including Chelsea, Tianjin Teda, Middlesbrough, Trabzonspor and Stoke City. John Mikel Obi represented Nigeria in 2 different World Cup tournaments, 2014 and 2018. He won the Africa Cup of Nations in 2013. He won the English Premier League twice, in 2010 and in 2015. UEFA Champions League title in 2011-2012 season. He also won the English FA Cup 4 times, 2007, 2009, 2010 and in 2012. He won the English League Cup twice, 2007 and in 2015. The Europa League in 2012-2013 season, and English Super Cup, which he won in 2010. He also won the Turkish Cup in 2019-2020 season. He won so many other titles and individual honors that are too many for us to mention right here. Mikel Obi is a living legend, one of the greatest football players to have ever come out of Africa. Mikel, you rep Africa 100%. That's why today on your birthday, Africa is on a standstill, celebrating you with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones, with your well-wishers and fans all over the world, especially the fans of Stoke City and Chelsea Football Club. We all are wishing you a happy 100% birthday. The entire continent of Africa is proud of you. We love you right here on Rep Africa. We wish you well. 100% to you. Now, if today, the 22nd of April, is your birthday, Rep Africa is glad to celebrate you right now. We are joined by the entire continent of Africa, and together we are wishing you a happy 100% birthday. We wish you every single thing you wish for yourself and 100% more. We hope that by this time next year, Rep Africa will be here to celebrate you bigger and better. 100% to you. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to drop a comment, like and share what we do right here on Rep Africa. And also remember to show some love to our brothers and sisters who are celebrating their birthdays today. Go down to that comment section and wish them happy birthday. And if today is your birthday, please also let us know that we've celebrated you right here on Rep Africa. 100% to you. Till I come your way again on this great platform, Rep Africa, I want to remind you that Africa is the most beautiful. Africa is the greatest continent on earth. So we Africans must start telling our own stories. We have so many beautiful things. We have so many great things about Africa, which we need to showcase to the world out there. That is how we rep Africa. I love Africa. I love Africa. God bless Africa. God bless the entire continent of Africa. Remember, you must rep this great continent. How do you rep Africa? By being a good ambassador of your family, because charity begins right there in our homes. So be a good ambassador of your local government and state. Be 100% ambassador of your country, and be 100% ambassador of Africa. That's simply how to rep Africa. Till we meet again, take good care of yourself. Don't drink and drive. And when you drive, please don't drink. Stay away from negativities and focus on positive things. Be your brother's keeper. Don't do drugs. Be law abiding. Stay safe. Remain blessed and popo small. Don't over popo. Hashtag popo small. Me love you 100%.